How to extract audio from video on CapCut PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to extract audio from video on CapCut PC. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your CapCut on your PC and click on Create Project. You need to wait for a while until this section loads. Now click on Import button and import your video. You need to locate your video and click on it to open it. Now once the video has been imported, you can easily click on this small plus icon to add to track, or simply you can drag and drop to add on track. Now simply what you need to do is on your video you need to right click on this particular imported video, and from this menu bar you will see extract audio. Simply click on it and your audio has already been extracted from your video on CapCut PC. Now you can easily edit your video and audio on CapCut PC and export the file using the export button at top right once you're done. So it's very quite easy to extract audio from video on CapCut PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.